Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my morning routine. This is a day where we don't have school or work, so it's really just a relaxing, kind of unplanned day. It's rainy, it's cloudy, but I'm going to show you guys what we're going to be doing the first part of our day. So typically on a school day, I actually wake up before everybody and wake up my kids and do all of the things. But this morning, we're not in school. It's spring break. My kids are actually in their playroom playing. So I go in my bathroom before I even walk out of my bedroom, and I brush my teeth and do what I need to do before we go and get the day started. I like to go in with the Makeup Raw Sauce, which is one of my favorite skincare products. I love this stuff. It's made up 93% maple tree sap, nourishes and promotes radiance, and it's kind of like an all-in-one. So now I'm going to go in and help my 3-year-old brush his teeth. My 5-year-old is really good at brushing his teeth on his own, so he's already taking care of that. So now I'm just going to help my little one. I feel it now when I see that's mine, like a body of water. So now that we've made it downstairs, I'm just going to whip up some pancakes. My kids love pancakes, and I'm just going to use my griddle. I love using the griddle. It's so easy to clean, it's easy to use. So that's what we're going to have for breakfast this morning. While they're eating breakfast, I go upstairs and I pick out some kind of like loungewear to wear that day. Just because I don't have any real plans of going anywhere. I might go to the grocery store, but for now I'm just going to put on some comfortable clothes and I can do a little cleaning and stuff like that. And while I'm up there, I just take that time to make my bed and straighten up my room just a little bit. I'm just going to apply some color to my brows, a little bit of foundation, and mascara. Okay, now I'm just going to clean everything up from breakfast and kind of reset my kitchen for the day. So this is a time where I would sit down and have my coffee and my breakfast and kind of plan out what I need to do for the day. So I just got dressed and I just threw this really soft and comfortable sweater on because even though it's spring, it's rainy today and it's like 54. So it's still a little chilly, it's cloudy outside, so my mirror is dirty yet again. Ignore that. Dark, high-waisted jeans, skinny jeans on, and I have these J. Crew flats on, which are some of my favorite flats. I just threw on some hoops from Express. I am wearing this bag. I got it actually for Christmas and I'm actually just now wearing it. We're either gonna go to Aldi today or either Target, and I don't want to do both, but I need to go to Target because I need to get the kids some summer clothes because we're going to be going on a trip to Orlando in a couple of weeks, and I don't know. We'll see where we end up going. Anyway, let's go. So we just came back from Aldi and I have a small haul to show you guys, so I'm going to take everything out and show you guys one by one everything we got. Okay guys, here is everything that I got from Aldi, $48. It would have cost less if I didn't get this right here, and these are interlocking organizers. These were $9.99. And I thought this was a good deal because these are actually really sturdy acrylic. There are 3 individual pieces, but of course they connect if you want them to connect, and they have some ideas right here. So I thought this was really good. I want to organize stuff upstairs in my bathroom drawers, and if these don't fit in the drawers, I'm gonna hopefully they'll fit in one of our junk drawers down here. So that's what I'm gonna use these for. Alright, so the next thing are these soup and oyster crackers. These have no artificial flavors or preservatives, and I just think these are a really good snack to carry around for your kids when we're going out and about. So lately a few recipes that I've been seeing have been calling for kidney beans. So are these Brussels sprouts, and they come in a microwavable bag. These 2 packs. These are squash and zucchini. Here is a pack of asparagus. Picked these up because my husband actually likes to put these on the grill. Bag of lemons, and we like to make lemon water. I haven't had lemons in the house in a while. And I picked up some dried cherries. This is something new that we're trying out. My son picked these out. He wanted to try these. The large croissants. I love croissants in the morning. I like to take them to work. This is organic chopped kale. We love to put this in our pressure cooker. Okay, so this is the next thing. These are these little thin kind of waffle cookies, I guess. Like when you get ice cream and you get them in a waffle cone, that's the kind of cookie this is. But they're super thin. What I like to do is put them on top of our coffee cup when we have coffee, and it keeps all the steam inside, and they're just really good. The Baby Bell cheese, we love to pack in our lunches. A box of sandwich bags. This is another thing that we're trying out new, and these are the fruit strips. So I'm excited to try these. We got a pack of these tiny little cucumbers. I just like to peel them and slice them and store them in the fridge for the kids. And the last thing we got are these grapes. So that is everything we got from Aldi.
With the black guys, give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time.